let's start. How are you today? You are happy, very good. What is this one? Oh, potato. How this one? Tomato. And how about this one? Cucumber. Very good. Now, where is the potato? The potato. Where's the cucumber? Very good. Okay, this is, what is this? Carrot. Pumpkin and green bean. Where is the carrot? Carrot. Where is the carrot? Okay, we have the pumpkin. Pumpkin. Okay. Do you like carrots? Yes. Do you like pumpkins? Do you like green beans? Very good. Now, where is the corn? Corn. How about broccoli? Very good. Do you like broccoli? Yes. Do you like corn? Yes. Okay. Is this broccoli? No. Is this a corn? No. Is this a tomato? Yes. Is this a tomato? Is this a pumpkin? Yes. Okay, that's the right. Goodbye.